Hey guys, it's Eduardo. So watch me install the catch-all system on this roof, what we're about to do. All right, so there it goes. I wrapped the whole area with the plants. I left this thing right now. They put the other system here. What it does is the trash falls from there, hits this net, and then lands here. So we have little either tarps or other small little meshes. But got it all wrapped up. Took me about 30 minutes. Multiply it 220. Got this whole section done. But yeah, let me know if you've seen some of those done before. But see you on the next one.